Where are we? Lancashire, Barnoldswick. Just gone past Eby. We're quite near Skipton. Brisket of beef. So yeah, I'm just going to eventually do some stuff out of my comfort zone, but I'm just going for pub dinner today and I'm going to learn how to chop. Oh yeah, so when I did the chicken wings, loads of people messaged me saying, oh, your chopping was horrendous. That noise of that chopping board, horrendous. So I bought a new chopping board, but we're on location today. So someone told me that the reason my knives were blunt is because I used a glass chopping board. So I've got a plastic one now. It's a Joseph one. What do you have for your tea? What do you have for your tea? What's for tea with Mike Newall? Oh, hello. Caught me off guard there. Welcome to episode 5 of What's for Tea with Mike Newall. I'm going to work in the kitchen today. I'm going to cook something for my tea and I'm going to get some chopping skills because I had lots of complaints. With the pepper, I don't know if you saw the video, but I like slice it through there, then you don't get any of the seeds.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
That's correct?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Hey, look at that.
Go down like that.
Wow.
I'll show you what to do. If you go one finger there, two back like that, tuck it in, from behind it, you can chop. You're going to have to come up there to cook yourself.
I don't know if I'll have the confidence to do that.
Well, no, don't do, because you'll take your fucking fingers off.
Oh, so I won't do it like that?
Go on.
Oh, I'm not after your job, do you know what I mean?
No, go on.
I'll like
that.
You want me to try, yeah?
One finger there, two behind it, and thumb behind that, like that.
One finger there.
Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Right. Oh, yeah, so I need this in my... Oh, you left-handed?
Yeah.
Do you know I eat with...
I'm ambidextrous as well, actually. I throw stuff with me right and I chop with my left.
You throw stuff?
Yeah.
In the kitchen?
Yeah.
It's not very hygienic.
Hands at people.
So I just do it like that, mate. Well, that's time consuming, isn't it? It takes ages. But it's a very sharp knife. What was I saying then?
Yeah, but you won't cook yourself for you, I'll show you. You can't do it. It's not possible.
So, finger here.
No, not like that. Like that. Two like
and
that.
then tuck it in.
Like
Finger there. Oh, like that. Oh, there we go.
That's it.
And then using that bit there.
Yeah.
Right, so that's a pepper. Now what I find with a carrot is, and it might be the quality of the knife, it sort of breaks off mid-cut.
Right.
Probably the quality of the knife, isn't it?
Well, I'll do one and I'll show you how to do one.
So that one was alright. It sort of like goes like this when I do it, and then so then it's like... I've got some new knives, I told you, didn't I?
Right.
Got them off Amazon.
It's not
15
nice.
quid. Pretty good.
Nice.
Anyway, so teach me how to cut a carrot.
Well, basically, you start at the thin end. Work your way to the thick end.
Alright, okay.
So same as you did before.
Alright.
You're not taking it off. You're going.
Yeah.
You don't need to take it off. So
And that's like a fancy angle as well, isn't it?
well, yeah, but you don't have to do that. You
Could do it normal, yeah. Oh, that's a fancy angle again. I bought a slow cooker.
Right.
I made this casserole. Sweet potato, normal potato. That's what it's called, potatoes. Carrots, onions, chicken thighs. Served it all the next day, left it all day, served it up on my plate and gone, there's no sweet potato. I went back to the bowl to find some sweet potato. Totally disappeared. No one stole it, I think it's gone into the sauce.
It's disintegrated.
So it was this, was it this? Was it
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Like that. That's it.
And then like that?
Yeah.
And then, oh,
That part of your knife down there.
down here?
Yeah, use the back of the knife.
I mean, it's better than I was, wasn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not bad, yeah. And with my new knives and my new chopping board, that'll be alright.
Same as you did with your peppers. One like that.
Yeah.
Hold it together. Now you can do your method. You know where you come up.
Oh yeah. Mike's method. So root side here.
Don't go through the root, other side.
All right. So I want it this
You
way.
want it that way.
I'm going to do one of those. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a bit. Is that not a bit dangerous?
Right.
And then one of those.
Yeah.
Then we did. Then what did we do? Turn it.
Other way. So that way.
And did we do a couple of these?
Yeah, but you don't want to go. You don't want to go right through the root. Back. Put the knife back. Take it out.
Oh.
There, like that.
One there.
You can go. No, you need to go through to the bottom. You need to go down.
Oh
to
right.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
like
what I said. Nearly all the way through.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so this is like.
Yeah, you don't want to go through that bit. Because that's what's holding it together.
And I think one more there. Do you think?
Yeah, one there.
Right. And this feels like a weird. I'll get it there. And one more. Right, now we're going to go for it, yeah?
Yeah, now you can.
Are we doing this method?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, go for it.
Nice one.
Good effort.
Right, so I'm going to have for me tea steak pudding with chips, and so we're not even going to use any of this, but I needed training up.
You happy with that, Mike?
Yeah. Can I remember it though? I think so, yeah. Oh, nearly got. I mean, I'm not as fast as him, but better, innit? Got some skills there.
What way do you really?
So here now we get the what type of pastry is it?
Suet pastry.
Suet. I've heard of that. So we're going to make some. Oh, we're not making the gravy. We're just heating it up.
Well, we've already made it.
Yeah. Oh, has that got mushrooms in it?
No, it's that's the skin.
Skin. What chef's
Well,
skin?
we basically.
Maybe I could do that. Don't want it to like come to the boil, do we? So what I did here was I boiled up some like bones, and then just added some oxo, I think. We've got 3 portions of puddings coming through. Smells good. You don't do Jenga chips, do you?
No.
Normal chips. I don't like those Jenga chips. You ever had them? You get like 4 chips. I like eating 4 jacket potatoes. It's not for me, that. Right, are we pouring or are we scooping? Bit of both. Hey, that was. Didn't spill a drop. And equal portions. I think mine's better. Preheated.
25 minutes.
Right. So we just wait now for 20 minutes, and then that gives us 5 minutes to do chips and peas. Alright. Well, you can have a break now if you want. 20 minutes. We'll just check on them. Look at them. Should we keep them in while we do the chips? How long did it take? 2 minutes. 2 minutes? That is a hot fryer, isn't it? Isn't that done, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a quick 2 minutes, wasn't it? To move one at a time.
One at a time. On there.
This?
Yeah, go around the edge.
Guess right, didn't I? hands. So you'd normally use one of these posh things, yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's better like this, like from the chippy. Thought you'd have a spoon with holes in it, you know, to drain the water out. I'll do it here. It's alright. Can't wait for this. Right, it's time for service! Service! Here we go, madam. Enjoy.
Thank you, Mike.
Do I have a knife and fork?
Oh, look at that.
I said I've used them. That's because I like them. Because I chose them.
That's perfection. Cooked to perfection. I made this. What do you have for your tea? What do you have for your tea? What's for tea with Mike Newall?